Thank you for watching the third edition of Ben TV. We've got some new ideas with this month's show. We're going to be coming from the Ben TV house. This is my house, this is my bedroom, so we're going to be broadcasting to you from my bedroom from now on for the intro and the conclusion. It makes a more comfortable setting, right? So we've got new gimmicks. We've got our cards. We have Ben TV business cards. And we also have Ben TV shirts. These are nice new shirts we got from Creative Sports Apparel. They do a good job, real good job. See, I even got my own name on mine. All right, if you want one of these, they're $13. You either talk to Tom Paduke or me, I'm Ben, or you can write to Cablevision in care of Ben TV, and they also can give you a number where you can contact us. All right, we have some new things on our show this month. We have Cooking with Heather. Heather's going to show us how to make chicken fajitas. They look sick, but taste good. All right, we have team polls. We're going to go to Taste and Touch of Palatine and interview some people and get team polls from there since we can't go in the schools this month. We're going to be going to the Taste and Touch of Palatine and just interviewing different restaurants, seeing what kind of food they have, and giving you a brief insight on where you can go for food and what type of foods each store has. And then finally, we're going to the PYB baseball, that's Palatine Youth Baseball All-Star Game. We're going to be interviewing some little kids, find out why I like to play baseball. We got some coverage of some of the games, and they got me in the dunk tank, so we'll have that on the show also. Ben TV needs ideas, so if you have any ideas, contact me or Tom Paduke or anybody that knows me to give your idea to them. All right, we're looking for people that want Ben TV shirts. They cost $13 again. If you'd like one, you either write to Cablevision or talk to Tom or I. Thank you to all that are watching right now. Thank you to all the people that bought shirts. We really appreciate the support you've been giving us. And keep watching. We have a really good show in store for you. I think you'll enjoy this one. So keep watching Ben TV. We got a good store. Bye-bye.